Today, I will show you what happens when you hang a piece of charcoal on a branch. You will be amazed to see the result. At first, it may look like nothing more than a black stone hanging from a tree, but nature hides its wonders in the simplest things. Charcoal, born from burned wood, carries within it minerals and a remarkable ability to balance soil life. When placed near a plant's trunk, it works slowly like a silent guardian. Take one small, clean piece of charcoal. Choose a healthy branch or the lower trunk of your plant. Gently hang the charcoal using a natural fiber thread or soft cloth, making sure it rests snugly against the bark without harming it. Over time, the charcoal begins to release trace minerals, absorb harmful toxins, and keep the surrounding area free from excess moisture and unwanted pests. The tree breathes easier, the roots grow stronger, and the leaves appear fresher and greener. Gardeners have long trusted charcoal for its power to purify soil, reduce diseases, and even protect plants from fungal attacks. By hanging it directly, you are giving your plant a shield and a slow, natural source of energy. So, next time you look at a simple piece of charcoal, remember, this black gem can work wonders for your garden. Try it once, and your plants will show you their gratitude in the form of healthy growth. Stay close to nature, and nature will always reward you.